Hey guys, it's Caleb again, and today I have a Mazda 3 that's going to be getting a complete exterior detail. If you look at the scenery, it's a little different than what you're used to seeing, right? In the driveway, right in front of my personal garage wash bay area. This one I actually had done right then and there in the yard at a different house. Anyways, we're starting with the wheels here as per usual, just like I always say. P&S brake buster. It's in a foam cannon, foaming down these nasty wheels because I don't think they've been done in years probably. And we're also using an iron remover to help break down that nasty brake dust and everything else that's in it from road debris, so you will see it bleed purple. Yeah, and then a variety of brushes. Like I said in my last video, go ahead and stay tuned with the channel, hit that like button, hit subscribe, because here soon I'm going to have a full video describing my whole wheel routine, the tools I use, the brushes, everything, and I'm going to link it all in the description and show you guys my method of doing it, as well as other ways that I do it depending on what kind of wheel I'm dealing with. Since this vehicle is as dirty as it is, and I know for sure that there is no coating currently on the exterior surface, we're going to start with a pre-treatment right before we go to a foam cannon or anything of the sort with cleaning. This pre-treatment is going to be in a pump sprayer. It's going to be Meguiar's APC diluted 10-to-1. That way it's not too harsh, but it's just enough to get that first layer of filth off of the vehicle. Moving into the foam cannon, I really haven't talked much about what kind of foam cannon I'm using, but now that all my video footage is caught up to where it is, I'm only using this particular one now. It's the MTM Hydro from Mazda PF22.2 foam cannon. This thing is a game changer when it comes to doing any kind of foaming work with soap. It puts on such thick foam, and it's easy to use, and it's easy to clean out, and I don't know, man, MTM and Mazda, you guys did an amazing job at this. The link's going to be in the description. If you're looking to get a new foam cannon, look into getting this one, and pretty much any kind of soap you put in it, it does some really good heavy foam. It doesn't take much either. I like using Adam's car shampoo, Chemical Guys washing gloss, the citrus stuff. I've tried what's the other one from them? It's Mr. Pink. That thing is insane when it comes to the foam. Go ahead, go down the description, click that link, get yourself. It's a little pricey, but it's worth every single penny. just want to cover something real quick. I have covered in other videos, but if you're new here, you probably don't know. I am using a microfiber towel as the washing applicator for the hand washing. This is because my rule of thumb is if the car is 10 years or older, or if it has some iffy parts on the paint, I go ahead and use that because it's a much more gentle, really soft way to wash the paint instead of using other mints and stuff that I have that could be a little bit more abrasive. After putting on the paint sealant, we're pretty much done with this. So if you like this video, go ahead and leave it a like. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We upload weekly here. And thank you guys once again for your time, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.